Hey, what's up? This is DCUC, Wave 6 Hawkman. Wow, dude, shit. Motherfucking damn, man. You gotta peep this character out. I mean, man, he stands like about, he stands the average 6 inches tall, but if you want to calculate, including his little wing things, he stands 7 inches tall. His wings can expand up to 7.5 inches. They can expand. This thing right here can expand up to 7.5 inches. That's almost as big as a regular DCUC figure. Wow, these are some big wings. These are the biggest wings I've ever seen on any fucking figure. Period. The detail, the sculpting on his face is outstanding. I give the sculpting 10 out of 10. They put detail, heart into the face, and these little wing things. You can easily see the detail, the sculpting of the feathers right there. It looks like a fucking real Hawkman. Wow, and then the nose is not the same as Superman's nose. They put like some other sculpting. Damn shit. Fucking amazing. The eyes are really nice. The jaw muscle right there. You can actually tell this guy works out and is a real superhero. Awesome jaw muscle right there. Man, the detail on his muscles are amazing. Really nice sculpting they did on that. They added a vein right there on the deltoid right there, which is really nice. Brings out the muscle definition on the character. Awesome veins popping everywhere on the bicep. Tricep is right. The legs is, I don't know. He has some sort of green on red and hawk legs looking right there, which is amazing. Great job, Mattel. Great job. Awesome. The symbol on his chest is outstanding. This thing is feather. Now onto the wings. Fuck, man. I've never seen someone put so much heart detail and sculpting on wings. These wings are well articulated. Move side to side. Move right like that. What the fuck, man? This is a rare character. This character is super rare. Wow. The 10 out of 10 automatically. 10. I don't give a fuck what anybody says. I think whoever gives this figure a fucking 8 out of 2 or 3 out of 2 is stupid. I don't give a fuck what y'all say, man. This nigga is hard in the bitch, man. 10 out of 10. Fucking 10 out of 10, dude. My third figure. I did not want to get this figure, but then I got it. It's my third figure. My third figure, man. Awesome articulation. DCUC articulation. Wings. Wow, the detail on the wings are like super awesome, man. The feathers, you can easily see how evenly nice, beautiful they are lined up. Awesome. Some of the feathers can go up to as long as 3 inches up to 4 inches, which is fucking crazy, man. Wow, man. I think it expands even more, man. The only thing that they fucked up was on this part. Like when you raise it up, it looks weird because I'm like, what the fuck? But it's cool. It's cool, man. I couldn't ask for anything better. I mean, wow. I mean, shit, dude. I mean, the weapon on him, though, his little hammer is really cool, man. I mean, fucking awesome than a bitch. Dude, this shit is fucking cool, man. I mean, his shield, it has like a little hawk thing, and what they basically made this character appear from the comics. Exactly. They got this one perfect. The fucking sword comes in and out if you want to take it out, and he can use the sword. Go get this figure. Find this figure. Just if you can't find this figure, wait for it to come out on. I think they're gonna come out with a DCUC, some sort of bullshit. They're gonna face off with Masters of Evil. I don't like Masters of Evil. I don't collect that shit. So if you can't get him, go get him there. I heard he's gonna get another repaint, but it's really cool because this is the identical paint that he has right now. Right now, Blackest Night, Brightest Night. Oh, shit, man. I'm glad I have. I'm so glad. Hold on. I'm so glad I have the safety on this. I always put this on my wrist just in case I do that shit. Whoa, man. Shit, man. This is a fucking great character. One of my top 10 characters right here. There he is standing next to one of the DCUC classics. You can easily tell how much fucking big, how big and how big his wings are. Look at that. I'm telling you, it covers a whole DCUC. So he goes boosh, flies out like that. Big as, man, it's really, and even the width and the length are identical to DCUC. So this is a must-have action figure. Some information about him. I'm gonna give you the bio about him. Now there have been like at least 5. Fuck, there have been so many Hawkmans in DCUC world. But this one is Carter Hall. C-A-R-T-E-R-T. Shit. I think it's C-A-R-T-E-R-H-A-L-L Hall. Carter Hall. Is this is the Hawkman. That is him right there. It's not the other ones, okay? Now Hall is I think Hall is like the oldest, youngest fucking DCUC classic because he first appeared in 1940. Yes, this one appeared in 1940. Member of the GSA or no wait, yeah, whatever. You know he's in that Justice Society of America and shit. 1940 and till this day current, he still looks the same as back then, fighting and can't even tell that he's old, man. I mean, this guy's history is crazy. This is the craziest history of guy I have ever seen. I've been reading about him, wow. I've been talking about him with some of my friends and shit like that. Some of my comic book friends, because my current friends right now, they're not into this stuff. But I have different types of friends, but yeah. So, wow, I mean, 1940 all the way to 2010. Okay, this is June 2010. Wow, fucking amazing. Good job, DC. Thank you for keeping this Hawkman, the current Hawkman. Now, this guy has been through a lot, Throughout the years, he has many different lives, different places he lived at, different things he's been through. This guy made it all the way. Good job. One of my favorite fights from this Hawkman is when he fights Superman and Batman in the Public Enemies, which is a really, really good story. I mean, it was cool. I mean, he teamed up with Shazam. But unfortunately, they end up losing, which is cool. Hawkman's still badass. This guy has died a lot of times, but I really never seen him die the way he died in Blackest Night. I'm sorry if I give away some of the detail. I don't want to give away too much detail, but he does die in Blackest Night, which is the way he dies. I mean, fuck, man. Wow, man, they kicked his ass. They fucked him up bad. I don't like the way he died on that one. And then they came out with a Blackest Night issue of the Autumn and Hawkman, which is a really good issue. Anybody saw that Smallville version of Hawkman? That shit must have been crazy. I don't watch Smallville at all. I never watched that shit, but I missed that episode, and it was February the 5th. Damn. I remember when it was going to premiere, and I was like, oh shit, I'm going to watch that one. I never got to watch that shit. Yep, and in Blackest Night, he is revived. He does come back to life, okay? So it's okay, he does come back to life. Oh yeah, and he is in love with the Hawk Girl, and the Hawk Girl loves him too. Okay, so yeah, that's his girlfriend or wife, whatever. So in that issue, he tries to beat the shit out of the Autumn, but he's so little and stuff like that, so he runs away and he hides so many times. It's really funny. You've got to read this issue. Okay, so what's Hawkman up to right now? Well, right now it's June 2010. No, July 2010. My fault. The fuck? It's August 2010. Shit, my bad. It's August. Right now in Brightest Days, that issue is the current one right now. Okay, so what he's up to is like he's basically finding the bodies of himself, his remainings of his body right now, and he opened a portal to Hawk World. Okay, I'm not gonna go into too much detail. I don't want to give away what's going on, but I highly recommend you read some of his issues right now because in this portal it's a Hawk World. Remember that. Now anything can happen. I don't know what's gonna happen. Maybe there's gonna be more Hawkmen, or maybe all the past Hawkmen are gonna get together, have a cookout, now play. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know, but it's cool. One fight I want to see really, really bad is a fair fight, one-on-one to the finish. I want to see Dr. Midnight versus Hawkman. That would be a fucking crazy fight. I mean, talking about a crazy fight.